Hi, my name is Kathy. I work with the Bonilla team selling a property out of state. It was a great experience. They were very attentive. If I left a message, I got a call back within 15 or 20 minutes. I do have to say that they're very, very knowledgeable. So he was there through every step of the way. I have nothing but good things to say about Julio, and he worked with everybody. My attorney, I called my attorney. Did Julio call you? Yeah, he called it. And so he knew everything was going on. Even though I can call my attorney, I called Julio. He knew what was going on with my attorney. He knew what was going on with the detective. Yeah, he just knew everything. So he was my one-stop shop point of contact. Julio was working with my lawyer. He was working with, his name is Frank Ramirez. He's a corporal detective in El Monte. He's with the gang unit and SWAT. So he was also working with him that was out there. And every time he needed him, he would come. When Julio would call him, when I would call him, he'd send the police down there. It's like, you guys have any more problems? He helped with the cleanup, with the containers. So there was so much that he did that I don't think any other real estate agent would do. I personally think they went over and beyond. So as you can imagine, me, a woman, out of state, dealing with this, I felt safe and, I felt comfortable. And that's like, the honest truth. And if anybody, if this goes on his website, I just want people to know that he's the guy to go with. I would recommend Julio and his team. If you're looking for one point of contact, not having to deal with squatting laws, eviction, not that that's his expertise, but he can guide you in the right direction. Obviously, he's not an attorney, but he can tell you what an attorney will tell you or what to expect. He stands true to his word. He says what he does, or if he's going to say something, he follows through and he does it. I appreciate that. And yes, I would recommend him for any out-of-state or even in-state transactions. I know they're having a lot of things over there in California with squatters and stuff like that. If you need a real estate agent who has experience in doing that, who has a team that needs to clean up your house, who needs to board up the walls and not call anybody else, you want someone to handle everything, call Julio and his team.